The Khilafat of Hazrat Ali was a critical and spiritually significant period in Islamic history. He was the fourth Caliph of Islam and ruled from 656 to 661 CE. Background: Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib was the cousin and son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad. He was known for his deep knowledge, wisdom, bravery, and commitment to justice. He became caliph after the martyrdom of Hazrat Usman during a time of great unrest and division in the Muslim Ummah. Major events during his Khilafat. 1. Civil war fitna. His rule began in a time of internal turmoil. He faced opposition from several groups, particularly those demanding justice for the killing of Hazrat Usman. 2. Battle of Jamal 656 CE, fought between Hazrat Ali and the forces led by Hazrat Aisha, Talha, and Zubair. The battle ended with Ali's victory, but he treated his opponents with respect and forgiveness. 3. Battle of Siffin 657 CE, fought against Emir Muawiyah, the governor of Syria. It ended in arbitration, which unfortunately caused more division and led to the emergence of the Kharijites, a radical group. 4. Battle of Nahrawan 658 CE, fought against the Kharijites who rebelled against Hazrat Ali. Though Ali won, the group remained a threat. Personality and qualities. Known as Asadullah, Lion of Allah, for his bravery in battles, among the first Muslims and one of the most trusted companions of the Prophet. Extremely knowledgeable in Islamic jurisprudence, Quranic interpretation, and spiritual insight, deeply committed to truth and justice, even at great personal cost. Political challenges and division. Hazrat Ali inherited a fractured Ummah after the assassination of Hazrat Usman. This caused major unrest and led to several conflicts. Refusal to immediately punish the killers of Hazrat Usman. Hazrat Ali wanted to stabilize the situation before punishing the culprits. Many companions disagreed with this approach, including Hazrat Aisha, Talha, and Zubair, which led to the Battle of Jamal. Conflict with Muawiyah. Muawiyah, the governor of Syria and a relative of Usman, demanded immediate justice for Usman's murder. This led to the Battle of Siffin, ending in arbitration, which many saw as weakening Hazrat Ali's position. Governance and reforms. Hazrat Ali tried to return to simple Islamic values during his caliphate, moved the capital to Kufa for better governance and security, appointed honest governors and removed corrupt officials, promoted justice without favoritism even if it meant acting against his own supporters, ensured equal distribution of wealth from the public treasury. Baytul al-Mal. Martyrdom. Hazrat Ali was martyred in 661 CE by a Kharijite named Abdurrahman ibn Muljam while praying in the Mosque of Kufa, Iraq. Legacy. Remembered for his justice, humility, and deep Islamic knowledge, his sermons and sayings are preserved in works like Naj al-Balagha. He laid the foundation of Islamic governance based on equality, justice, and consultation. The Khilafat of Hazrat Ali was marked by justice, wisdom, and deep Islamic knowledge. Despite facing internal conflicts and challenges, he remained committed to truth and unity. His leadership and sacrifices left a lasting legacy in Islamic history.